Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about my Hamlet 3D printer. It's a 3D printer that I got from the store that was selling it used. They had no more use for it. It was actually broken, but you can't beat 60 bucks for a 3D printer. The original price for this was around $1,500. It's primarily made in Italy and China, and it's not very well known, but it's a solid printer. I tried to print a few things, obviously, just to see what was wrong with it, and I thought nothing was wrong at first. But then it started messing up. It would get halfway done. It would get halfway done with one of the products or whatever, and then it would just, the filament wouldn't be coming through correctly. So I figured out a few things, and let's take a look at it. So you can see how it warped the cage of it. I mean, it still encloses the extruder and everything, but I can order that as well, but I don't think it's necessary. Alright, so here's the fan that I'm going to be replacing. The extruder is pretty good. I have cleaned it out because I thought that was the problem, but it's actually the fan. So let's just unscrew and plug it in over here, and well, actually down here, and let's see if that fixes it. Alright, take this sucker out. Oh, man, you drive really. Put that in there. There we go. Alright. Those good start. Thank you, Amazon.
How much was it, Chacha?
I think 19 bucks.
So how come the other shop was taking
Stay,
so long?
I'm filming. Oh, he was trying to repair the actual fan that's broken. Look, that's why I'm getting my A+ certification, so I will
Do it for other people.
yeah.
Or even for him.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
If he pays you, obviously. A lot. Well, once you have the certification, we can speak to Paolo and Caneva, my cousin, and
Yeah.
maybe he will spread your name.
Yeah, that'd be good.
You know what I'm saying?
I know exactly what you're saying.
What is exactly called the certification A+?
Yeah.
In what? Technology?
It's kind of the entry level certification in a lot of different things. So technical support,
What the fuck?
Steph, I'm filming here. Jesus.
Sorry.
I guess I'm just going to use this as the B-roll. Whatever it's called.
Sta cazzo di cosa non ha neanche strezzato bene i panni. Ci metterò un paio di ore ad asciugare. Io bisogna che faccia asciugare sta cazzo.
Sorry, my wife has Tourette's. Okay. Is it tightening? I think it's tightening. Ooh, okay. Is that 9 lined up. Let's hope. Alright, that's on there. Now, let me get a light in here. Alright, let's see. That way. Get that little nacho. Okay. Now, let's see if this thing works. So let's plug her in and see if I can okay. I saw the fan move. So let's see. We can go through here. And let's see here. System feedstock. Load. So let's have it heat up. So we gotta wait for it to heat up. Alright, so here's the jet temp and the bed. So we need the jet to get to about 230, and then we'll start shooting out a plastic little string. Let's see if I can adjust the camera appropriately. It's gonna do it. Yeah, come on. You push her through a little bit better. It's grabbing it. Yes! So you can see that. It's coming out. It's coming out. And the fan is on. Alright. Let me clean that stuff up. Stopped it. Alright, let's start printing. Alright, so it's printing that whistle. And now I have to hold the tripod. So it's doing it, so let's see the finished product. Before I wasn't finishing the products, so we'll just see. It took about 1 hour and 19 minutes. I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit. There is the whistle. There's the whistle. So let's take a look. Just kind of scraped off the stuff with my fingernail, and I can use some sandpaper later, and then there's some other stuff inside, so I'll be cleaning that out, but basically it works. Cool.